Hi student, this is class 6th, chapter number 7. The name of this chapter is Scratch Programming Introduction to Game Creating. First of all, in previous class we discussed how to manage, how to create a program. But in this class, this is advanced version you can say. In this class we have to, with the help of this Scratch program, we will move from, object will move from one position to another position. In this we will use blocks, different blocks is there. With help of these blocks we will move our objects. Now first here in this video I am going to discuss exercise also, where of the questions I will mention the question and you have to watch this video till end, then you will get proper answer of every question. Exercise you have to fill yourself because all the things is not possible. Exercise is you can do is your homework. Exercise question answer I will discuss here. Here introduction in programming, we know this is Scratch programming is visual programming language in which you can move object from one place to another, and here in this we can put graphics and sounds also. With the help of graphics and sounds we can put our multimedia things like any video clip, any other clip. Then here script programming are made up of object are called script. This is the question also. You can change how to script the look, how to script look by giving the different costume. You can make a script look like a person or a train or a butterfly or anything else. You can use any image as sprite. Okay, here this is the actually window, Scratch programming window, and there are every program having advantage and disadvantage also. These are the advantages. This is the question also from the back exercise. You do not have or remember to type any commands. Here we have no need to write any commands because all the thing is visibly command fit together like zigzag pieces and legs piece like Lego blocks. To command are colored code. The commands are colored coded. Different color commands are there. You have to use the different color as per your requirement. Now the name of this person is Matthew Richness. He was the developer of this language. Early he was doing in IT company work, but later he invented with the help of coding he invented a new programming, that is Scratch programming. Here what are the steps to start a programming? It's very easy. Normally when we start a work we have to click on start program, click on start, click on all program, click on Scratch and click on Scratch window. With the help of this we will get our window like this, which is coming in your screen. This window will get. Then understanding Scratch window, this is next topic. These are the commands. Menu bar is there, graph flag is there, project names, task, script area, tabs. These are the tabs we are using for different kind of work, like in Word we are using new tab, copy paste, home, all the things. Here in this programming, Scratch programming, we are also using tab for doing our work easy and fast. These are the another. Here we have project name, start and stop. It is using for doing the start this work. Then different blocks are there. Different blocks we are using for different kind of animations. Next, Scratch blocks. In your book there are 6 blocks, but in this PPT I mentioned here 4 blocks. Motion block we are using for if we want to move from one object to another, one place to another, we are using motion. Control, with the help of control we can put pause, play, replay, like this is our blocks. Next, here we have look block. This block change the script and background appearance. Whenever you want to change the appearance of your you want to change the blocks. With the help of this look block we can change appearance. Pen block is there. This block control the playback and volume of music. Here control block, these blocks trigger script executing based or predefined events rapidly programming using. Next, sensing. This block can be used to determine the location of your mouse. In the previous part I discussed about the blocks. We know there are the different block is there. So with the help of this block we'll do next work. There are different blocks as it was in the book, that with the help of pen tool we are using to draw. With the help of sound block we were playing them, we were adding the music control, we were control block helping the control the trigger. Sensing block, this block can be used to determine the location of your mouse. Operating block, this block perform logical operations like compression, rounding and other. Now with help of these blocks we'll do work. That is why this heading is there, working blocks. As it is showing in the PPT, all the 4 blocks is there. And like if we want to use motion, in it is given also move 10 15 20. Okay, what the function of this here 10 15 and 20 means to say, if you have object with the help of motion block, if we put a 10 step move, it will go 10 step. And there are also, if you want to move, there are also keys are there, turn back, left, right, according to your situation, according to your object, you can put these steps, and as the steps is given to you, it will move as per the given steps. Next, paint or create new script. This is student, this is the questions also in your back exercise. There are questions, create, paint or create new script. How we can create a new script? As in the last video I discussed about the blocks, this 10 block will help for doing this work in this, because it is drawing, paint or drawing. First paint or creating, first we have to create. For this creating we use pen tool. When we select pen tool, when we select on the pen tool, different shapes of the pen is there. You can select according to your choice. If okay, after selecting you have to click on the script, and when you will click on script, with the pen tool you have to mark, you have to draw. And after drawing, there are the colors box. Okay, in the color box there are the multiple colors given to you. Spark color is also, plain color is also, and you can select color, which color you want. After putting this color, we'll get print screen, we'll get one object with the printed. And there is also tools, if you want to rub, if anything extra is there, any color is outside, you can use rubber tool as we are using in paint. Then we can remove any extra work. Next, choosing new script from the file. Okay, see in this box a different color is there, and these are the other object, new script. How we can select? It's a very easy. If you want to select, it should be in your computer. You have to find, you have to know where, in which location you have to save your object, in which location you have to save your script. Then after this we have to click on file. When you will click on file, then we'll get, you have to go particular location where your file is saved, where your script is saved. Then you have to select your script according to your situation, according to your wish, which script you want. And after this you have to click on OK button. After selecting, click on OK button. Then the script which is selected by you, it will be come on your screen as it is given in your as you can see in the PPT. Next, get supersize script. Here, to get supersize script button, randomly select one script from the new script library. There is a library down here, new script box is there. You can select on the library. Then again you have to click on new. And when you click on the new, you will get different new options, different new objects, and you can select. See, dog is there and cat is there. These are two objects. You can select which object you want for this. And you have to drag we use for change the location. Okay, if cat is far, then you can put this dog, with the help of drag you can keep this dog near the cat. Okay, next, creating program is also one of question from your back exercise. There is, in the back exercise there is question, what are the steps to creating a program. Here, if you want to create a program, what to do? First we have to see our selecting area. Okay, then we have to select the area in which you want to select the program. Next, then you have to click on the blocks from the block plate. The script move immediately. It will only text what block do, but it is not a program. A program is a set of repeatable instruction that you can store up to carry or later. Okay, here is in the program we have to repeatable step we have to follow. And then there is the same question is there on the back exercise. What is the script area? The script area is a place, as I told you. First you have to select the area in which you want to put the program. You have to there is same question is there. The script area is a place where you want to make a program or scratch by dragging the blocks from the block plate and dropping them on the top of each. Now what are the steps to make? First, program to make a cat while walking down the desert. See here in your book is desert is there, but in the PPT sea is there. Both have same, no issue if desert or sea. But here, then what are the steps? So first you have to click on the cat in the script list, then click the script tab, click on the motion, because we have to move the cat. For this we need block, that is move. As I told you, move block is used to move the object from one place to another. Then there are steps. Then click on the turn and clock 15 degree. If you want to move this 15 degree, then you have to click 50 degree. If you want to left or left, right, top, left, any you can use. And there's one more option, anti-clock and degrees also. Anti-clock, it will move as per the anti-clock direction. And there are the angles like 30 degree, 40 degree, 90 degree. As per the angle it will move. Next, click on the 10 step and then click on the control button. It is also block of the control. This is a part of block option. Then you have to click on control, drag wait for 1 second block and script area. This is the steps to create a new program. Then it will be come in your screen. Next, running a program. Suppose you have to finish your program like cat is on the desert, cat is near the sea, or whatever the object is there. If you want to running a program, means to say you want to check the output, then what are the steps to run a program? Then first we have to click on the file. Okay, when you click on the file, there is one option, run. When you click on the run, and there is also mute button is there, preview button is there. First we have to checking. So for this we need play. One play button is also there. Only 2 button is showing on your PPT, but when we work it, this all button will come. When we have to click on play, whatever the action is given by you, like 10 degree, 15 degree, it will move according to your given action. Next, saving a program. Suppose you have to finish your program, you have to finish all the work. Now you want to save. Why we are using this save? Because if the same thing we want to use for future use, then we are saving. And normally in the life, whatever the things we use for our future use, we are saving. Same if you want to show this project to your relative, your friend, your family members, for this we have to save. And what are the steps to saving this? Normally when we are saving any file in Word or Paint or Excel, same step will follow. We have to click on the file. We have then, after click on the file, you have to select the location, in which location you want to save, then give the name of your file. Next is there, you have to give the name of your file, which name you want to give. After giving the name, you can click on OK button. Next, opening a project. Suppose you have finished a project and it is pending also, you want to open. Then what are the steps to open a program? Very easy. Click on click on file, click on open, and select the location, in which location your file is saved. Then you have to select and you have to click on open. Automatically this file will be open in your screen. Like this arrow, this dialog box will come when you will follow these steps. Thank you for watching this video.